أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The rules of lesson number 5, and then inshallah azawajal we're going to move forward to the lesson itself. Now if we read the rules first, lesson number 5, fathatain, two zabar, kasratain. Remember, one zabar was called fatha, two zabar, one zer was called kasra, and one page was called dhamma. Now to make them plural, to make them two, what we do is basically we add an ain at the end. Fatha tain, kasra tain, dhamma tain. So we add that tain at the end. So do zabar, do zer, and do pesh. Two zabar, two zer, and two pesh are called tanween. A letter which has a tanween on it is called munawwan. So a letter that has a tanween is called a munawwan letter. So basically any letter that you see that has two zabars, two zer, or two pesh, we're going to call that letter munawwan. Now, in fact, tanween is a noon sakin that is at the end of the word. This is why tanween sounds like a noon sakina. Now, so for example, when we read ba do zabar ban, yeah, now when we read ban, see, you can hear the sound of the noon ban. Now, in reality, that is what a tanween is, the sound of the noon sakin. Now, this is how we're going to spell them out. There are two letters that are the silent letters. They are written with the tanween, but they are not pronounced. And these letters, if you can read the last one, it says sometimes alif or ya is shown after two zabar. Do not pronounce it during spelling. And inshallah we're going to go to the example of how what that means. And inshallah if we look at our first lesson today that we're going to start off with, you'll see what I mean, that when there is two zabar, the alif is written there as well. So if you can see on your screen now, ta, this is the ta, and then this alif that is written. This alif is a silent letter. It's not going to be read. Even when we spell the letters out, we are not going to read it. We're going to read it as normal. Ta, do zabar, tan. Ta, do zer, tin. Ta, do pesh, tun. Tan, tin, tun. And now, because this is a musta'liya, we're going to read with the full mouth. To, do zabar, ton, ton, ton. To, do zer, twin, twin, twin. To, do pesh, tun, tun, tun. So let's repeat this lesson inshallah azawajal. We're going to read the whole lesson inshallah azawajal. If I'll try to read it slowly so that inshallah azawajal you can read after me as well inshallah. So we're going to start from the beginning again. Ta, do zabar, tan. Ta, do zer, tin. Ta, do pesh, tun. To, do zabar, ton. To, do zer, twin. To, do pesh, tun. Za, do zabar, zan. Za, do zer, zin. Za, do pesh, zun. Zan, zin, zun. ذال دو زبر ذن. ذال دو زیر ذن. ذال دو پیش ذن. ذن ذن ذن. ضا دو زبر ظن. So remember, we don't read this alif. ضا دو زیر ظن. ضا دو پیش ظن. ظن ظن ظن. ثا دو زبر ثن. ثا دو زیر ثن. ثا دو پیش ثن. ثن ثن ثن. سین دو زبر سن. سین دو زیر سن. سین دو پیش سن. سن سن سن. صاد دو زبر صن. صاد دو زیر صن. صاد دو پیش صن. صن صن صن. دال دو زبر دن. دال دو زیر دن. دال دو پیش دن. دن دن دن. ضاد. Remember how we read the ضاد? From the side of the tongue touching the upper part of the mouth. ضاد دو زبر ضن. We're not going to read as ضا دو زبر. You have to read the letter complete. ضاد دو زیر ضن. ضاد دو پیش ضن. ضن ضن ضن. کاف دو زبر کن. کاف دو زیر کن. کاف دو پیش کن. کن کن کن. قاف دو زبر قن. قاف دو زیر قن. قاف دو پیش قن. قن قن قن. ہا دو زبر ہن. ہا دو زیر ہن. ہا دو پیش ہن. ہن ہن ہن. ہا دو زبر ہن. ہا دو زیر حن. ہا دو پیش حن. حن حن حن. حمزہ دو زبر ان. Now sometimes when people read, they get confused with the letter Ain. So that is why Hamza and Ain are Qaribu Sawt letters, so we need to pronounce them properly. Hamza do zabar an. Hamza do zir in. Hamza do pesh un. ان ان ان. عین دو زبر عن. عین دو زیر عین. Again, عین is from the middle of the throat. عین دو پیش عن. عن عین عن. خا دو زبر خن. Now can you see this is a musta'liya letter and you have to have a deep sound. Kha, kha. You don't have to open the whole of the mouth but just with a deeper sound. Kha do zabar khan. Kha do zir khin. Kha do pesh khun. Khan khin khun. غین دو زبر غن. غین دو زیر غن. غین دو پیش غن. غن غن غن. We go to the next line. با دو زبر بن. با دو زیر بن. با دو پیش بن. بن بن بن. میم دو زبر من. میم دو زیر من. میم دو پیش من. من من من. واو دو زبر one. So we don't read that alif. The alif is silent. Wow do zir win. Wow do pesh wun. One win wun. فا دو زبر فن. فا دو زیر فن. فا دو پیش فن. فن فن فن. لام دو زبر لن. لام دو زیر لن. لام دو پیش لن. لن لن لن. نون دو زبر نن. نون دو زیر نن. نون دو پیش نون. نن نن نون. Ra do zabar run. Remember when Ra has two zabars or a zabar is read with a full mouth. Run. Run. Ra do zir rin. Ra do pesh run. So full mouth again because she's got two pesh. Run. 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 Rin. Run. Run. Rin. Run. Jim do zabar jan. Jim do zir jin. Jim do pesh jun. Jan. Jin. Jun. Sheen do zabar shan. Sheen do zir shin. Sheen do pesh shun. Shan. Shin. Shun. Ya do zabar yan. Ya do zir yin. Ya do pesh yun. Yan. Yin. Yun. MashaAllah Azza wa Jal.